Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude. Well friends, I gave you a series of switch numbers for cough and varieties of cough. However, cough doesn't come alone. It's like cough and cold always comes together, like the two faces of the same coin. So how can we handle cold? Very simple method of remedy. Do give me your answers in the comment box. I'll give you mine this evening. Thank you so much for joining me. Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude.